Setting up QuickBooks for rental properties is a straightforward process that can help you track income and expenses, manage tenants, and stay organized. To get started, create a new company file in QuickBooks and choose the property management or real estate template. Next, set up your rental properties as separate entities within QuickBooks, known as classes. This will allow you to track income and expenses for each property individually. Create a class for each rental property by going to the Lists menu and selecting Class List. Then, set up your tenants as customers in QuickBooks. This will enable you to track rent payments and send invoices. Create a new customer for each tenant by going to the Customer Center and selecting New Customer. Be sure to include the tenant's name, address, and rent amount. Set up your rental income accounts, including rent income and late fee income. Create new accounts by going to the chart of accounts and selecting New Account. Choose the correct account type and enter a descriptive name. Set up your expense accounts, including property taxes, insurance, and maintenance expenses. Create new accounts by going to the chart of accounts and selecting New Account. Choose the correct account type and enter a descriptive name. Create a new invoice template for rent invoices by going to the Template menu and selecting New Template. Choose the correct template type and customize the fields to include the tenant's name, address, and rent amount. Use the Batch Invoice feature to create invoices for all tenants at once. Go to the Customer Center and select Batch Invoice. Choose the customer list and the invoice template, and QuickBooks will create an invoice for each tenant. Finally, set up your accounts receivable and accounts payable to track rent payments and expenses. Go to the Vendor Center and set up new vendors for property management expenses, such as maintenance and repairs. By following these steps, you can set up QuickBooks to effectively manage your rental properties and streamline your accounting processes. This will help you stay organized, save time, and make informed decisions about your rental properties.